That was
you
very
know,
good.
and you just got to keep going. Like, and this honestly, I'm lucky because this was my last shot at doing anything with crypto. I mean,
Okay.
I've always been into it and I've always had that holdings that I had, but I was like, I'm not going to deploy anything else into something. I'm just going to hold this and I know it's going to go big. And in 5 years' time, I'll cash out or something and I'll be a millionaire. You know, I fully believe that. But
Yep.
then when I found you on YouTube and I was just like, man, I in my head, I was like, there must be something I can do with my crypto, you know? And that's when I just started Googling like how to make money with your crypto, basically, like, you know, and then I average, I mean, I've got here January, I did 3,853 in fees. That's purely my fees. I just
Fees.
went
Got
with
it.
that. I haven't done what the positions are everything apart from RBUSDC is gained at the moment.
Gained. Yep.
You got to be going long term with it. You can't be
Yep.
thinking month, 3 months, 6 months. You got to
That's a
be
good
like,
lesson right there. Yeah.
yeah, you got to be far out with it. You know, so I'm really the biggest thing I've taken is being in stuff that I want to be in long term. I just didn't understand the whole Aden Out principle, you know. And I
Oh,
sat with David and I worked. I spent a bit of time myself, and I worked. I made an Excel, portfolio. I've done three
sweet.
levels of laddering out for 8 different coins,
Sweet.
and my first, I've got my ladder one, ladder two, and then keeping all my. And then a lot of the stuff I've got about a 50%.
Cool.
Superbly, like really really good, and I've been involved in a lot of crypto stuff over the years, and you know, this has been superb. It's yeah.
Thanks,
So
David.
yeah, I don't really have into just, and I was trying to think about that. What's the best bit about it? But there's not really a best bit. It's the whole thing's just good.
Cool.
Like
Thank you.
that's what I feel. Like there's not one bit of it that's absolutely frigging killing it, and the rest is mediocre. I feel just everything's good. Like it's and the communities. It's vital. And from a certain side, I really like your mindset stuff as well. I'm not gonna like
Oh,
the little
cool.
YouTube shorts and stuff, man. You should keep doing them because they're really. I send them to my girlfriend and stuff. She's over in Europe and she's got a really high pressure job, and I send her stuff to kind of motivate her a bit. And she's like, "Oh, that's exactly what I fucking needed today,"
Good.